Want to play YouTube videos in background on your phone? Here's a trick. First, go to App Store and go to search and type here Tube Max. So this is the app that you guys wanted to. So tap there. Now swipe down and install this application. Then open this application. Now go to Home tab and you can find every video that you wanted to, or you can also search for whatever song that you guys wanted to play on background. Now play the song and make sure the background is checked, and you can see that music is playing. Now I'm going background and it's still playing right now. You can see that, and you can also see it is playing on lock screen as well, and you can also fast forward and play it. Well, next thing you can do is pop the video up. So you can just tap on pop up video and it should pop the video up. As you guys can see that, you can still go to background and use this pop-up menu, and you can text some text that you want to, and you guys are good to go. Now your YouTube video is playing in background, so subscribe, comment, and see my next tape. See you guys next one. Peace.